This is my sale preview for tonight's live sale. It will be at 7 Eastern, 6 Central, and 4 Pacific, and it will be on Gina's channel. I will provide a link if you're not already following Gina. She is Vintage DIGS, and we do live sales on her channel every Tuesday night at 7. And we do live sales on my channel every Wednesday night about 10:30 Eastern time. We have our late night sale on Wednesday, but these are just some of the items that will be available today. I have this Talavera soap dish or trinket dish, whatever you want it to be. Very pretty. I have these very 1950s ephemera pieces. They are square dance pieces. They're really cool. I mean, look at the graphics on this guy. This one. Isn't that cute? Okay. I do have this really pretty hand-blown handkerchief bowl. It's large and beautiful. I have this very vintage children's puzzle. I have this Francoma boot. I have this really pretty Fenton blue opalescent piece. I have a children's book about 2 dogs and a horse. I have another children's book. This one's very old. I do have 2 pieces of amber glass. I have this candlestick, and then I also have this beautiful decanter. I have some huggers. These are bunnies. I do have some brooches tonight. I will be having more jewelry in the sale as well. I just wanted to kind of let everything be a surprise. I have 4 of these little owls left, so they will be in the sale tonight as well. Super cute. And then I have this very cool vintage purse. I believe it's from the 70s. It is real leather and it's in excellent shape. Oh, I also have this beautiful hand-painted wooden box. And these acrylic grapes. Okay, guys, thanks so much for watching this short video. I hope to see you guys tonight. If you have any questions, you can always reach out. All my information is at the end of this video. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.